Hellius Loius YouTubius. Yes, I felt kind of Romany. I don't know why. Just felt Romanish. No, I'm not Roman, but anywho. So for the last mile and a half, had a cop behind me. I didn't stop for a stoplight. I'll admit to that. I just kind of just slowed down, nobody coming, and went ahead and turned. So it is so tough to go exactly 30 miles an hour or 32 or whatever through the middle of town. So I'm sure everyone else has done that. You sit there and watch the speedometer. You start watching the speedometer more than you watch the road, then that's when you make a mistake, and that's when they pop you. So it's a beautiful flipping day out in Indiana today. I got up about 6:30 and I was in the convertible all frickin' day. And just driving around to different properties, because that's part of what I do. I work on houses, remodeling for an investor out of California. Been a pretty good gig, you know. I got paid to drive around in the convertible and get a tan all day today. That's hard to frickin' beat. My $100 convertible. I'll throw a picture up right here. Yeah, $100. The guy said there was a lot wrong with it. It was just a water pump. $92 water pump from Japan. Stuck it on. I've already got 1,000 miles on it. Been a really good car. So kind of the fun toy of the summer, besides the bike, of course. So tonight we're headed to a liquor store. I'm not going to buy anything. Just gonna meet up with somebody, say hello, howdy, how are you? And some dinner after that, and I guarantee some Starbucks. I've got to go downtown Terre Haute to where I'm going, so I'll be cruising the Bash. Made a video last year about cruising the Bash. Told a big long story about it. So I'm starting to post a little more on Instagram, so make sure you check that out. Go ahead and add me. Been getting quite a few ads here lately. I've been trying to, oh man, between the heating and air business, well, the air conditioning business, and this remodeling houses, I'm just like all over Indiana, and I'm just so daggone busy. You know, even on my days off, I end up working. So that's why there's been no videos. I don't have time. This is only the third time technically, I've been on the bike this year. Memorial Day weekend was last weekend. So yeah, we've been hitting 80, 90 degrees, nice and sunny, and I'm working. We are a non-socialistic society. Who the hell sends Christmas cards anymore? I do. I don't get them back, but I still send them. You know, I still write checks to pay my bills. I mean, hell, they don't even teach cursive in school anymore. So, don't even get me started on that. This trip ain't long enough. I ain't got enough batteries with me to go on about that. Starbucks, I will return. Don't fret. I've only had one coffee today, plus my morning pot of coffee. Oy vey! What the hell does oy vey mean? I know it's Jewish. Hello there? Come here. Eat at Joe's. Oy vey. Of course, I'm going to have to Google that before this video gets edited. And I believe our destination is up here on the left. Big Red Liquors.